an Airbus helicopter doing an engine run inspection. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. It's Caleb James, your favorite fan, your favorite YouTuber. Why do a ground run inspection on an helicopter? Okay, if an aircraft has not flown, let's say for almost a week, let's say 7 days, before it flies fast, it has to be done inspection. Among the inspection is to do the serviceability, and among the serviceability is to do the ground run inspection to ensure it is safe for flights. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.